Hi, hello, and how do you do? We all welcome you. This is where we sing and play and learn new things each day. Hi, hello.
Hello everyone, hope you all are good and safe at home. Welcome back to the educational channel. Dear students, today we are going to start our new poem that is called A Hippo Got There First. Unit 9, Poem 9, A Hippo Got There First. This poem was written by Marian Swinger. Now let us see. In this poem we are going to study reading the poem, about the poet and new words, and also explanation of the poem. Ninth poem. So before going to start, let us see about the poet. This poem was written by Marian Swinger. She was born on 31st October 1933 and she has written many books. Here I have mentioned two books, The Witch's School of Flying and another one, A Hippo Got There First. So this is the brief information about the poet who Marian Singer. And now here you can see about the hippo. Do you know hippo? Have you ever seen hippopotamus? Actually you may have seen in the cartoon, is it? And Discovery Channel, is it? So here you can see the picture of the hippopotamus. So this poem all about hippopotamus, how it has behavior and how its body, is it? So here some information have given about the hippopotamus. The name hippopotamus means river horse. So actually the name has given that animal hippopotamus, its actual meaning is river horse. River horse. It is mostly found in rivers, lakes and swamps of Africa. It has a barrel shaped blue-grey body with a pink belly, large and stumpy legs. So how its body features? It has a barrel-shaped body. Have you seen a body? Look at here, like water barrel. It's a huge body. It has huge body shape, that is barrel shape of the body. And the color, its body color, blue-grey. And its belly. Do you know the belly? Is it? That is one of the body parts. A pink, with a pink belly and large and stumpy legs. It has large and stumpy legs. Look at the picture. And next point, even though the hippo is a very huge animal with a very big mouth and teeth, it eats only grass. Here only plants and grass. It eats only plants and grass. It means it is vegetarian. It will not eat non-veg. Is it? And his mouth very long and big. Look at the picture. And teeth, more teeth. A bull hippo's teeth can grow about 28 inches long and its mouth can open 4 feet wide. So here, if it is have a big mouth, then teeth also will be very long, is it? So its teeth can grow about 28 inches. Just imagine 28 inches means how much long teeth it has, is it? So, and its mouth can open 4 feet wide. My God, 4 feet wide it can open. So that much huge animal the hippopotamus. So it is a brief information about the animal, use animal hippopotamus. So you have seen it is in the cartoon Discovery Channel, but directly nobody can see, is it? Because it is Africa's. It can found in the rivers and lakes and swamps of Africa. Is it? I hope you understood. So, how the poem made about this animal? Let us see. Before going to start our poem, here you can see the meaning of list, meaning of new words list. Tourist. It means a person who travels for pleasure. Holiday maker. It means tourist. As you know, tourist. Traverse means to travel across or through a mountain route, etc. Disgruntled means having grievances, means discontented. It means dissatisfied. Disgruntled means dissatisfied. Stark. It means secretly to follow someone. Stealthily means quietly, secretly. Adverse means unfavorable. Adverse means unfavorable. It is not favorable. Possess means own. Athlete means sportsman, a person who participates in track and field events. Is it clear? So without further delay, let's get started our poem. Here you can see Unit 9, a hippo got there first. Taxi, cried the tourist. Then stood and stamped and cursed, for as she ran to get inside, her hippo got there first. Ice creams yelled the ice cream man. Kids were nearly burst, running to be the first in line, but a hippo got there first. Men raced to reach the vending post, but now they are being nursed in bandages with muscle strain, for a hippo got there first. Next stanza. Athletes ran cross country with great distance traversed, but they ended up disgruntled when a hippo got there first. A hunter stagged a hippo. Its reaction was adverse. The hunter ran, but sadly, the hippo got there first. They don't possess an athlete's shape. Their fingers are the worst, but if you raise a hippo, the hippo will be first. Written by Marin Swinger. So I hope you understood how much is trouble to make trouble to the people when it's stayed in the society, so that it will be stay in river, is it? So it's a funny and very emotional, very funny poem. And here now I am going to show you the pictures, how much trouble to the people, that going to show the pictures of the poem and hippo, how much is trouble to the people when it came to the society. Isn't? Look at the pictures. Taxi, cried the tourist. Then stood and stamped and cursed, for as she ran to get inside, a hippo got there first. Look at the picture. And next incident, ice creams held the ice cream man. Then kids were very nearly burst, running to be the first in line, but a hippo got there first. Men raced to reach the winning post, but now they are being nursed in bandages with muscle strain. For a hippo got there first. Athletes ran across country with great distance traversed, but they ended up disgruntled when a hippo got there first. A hunter stacked a hippo. Its reaction was adverse. The hunter ran, but sadly, the hippo got there first. They don't possess an athlete's shape. Their fingers are the worst, but if you raise a hippo, the hippo will be the first. Wow, very nice poem it is. It is all about hippo. So in the first stanza, explained the situation of the when the tourist means people when wanted to get into the taxi, then suddenly hippo stood there, and that hippo get inside, and when she want to get inside, instead of that, a hippo got there first and sat in the taxi. The taxi was broken. So it's totally meaning what? Those use animals, if they want to live in the society, they will become dangerous. They were very dangerous to the people. So where you have to stay, there only they can stay. It's better to there only can stay. Is it? And another one incident. So ice cream man held means shouted. A loud, given the loud shout, ice cream, ice cream. Then all the kids, children were burst means they came near to the ice cream carriage. So then they were make the line. They wanted to get ice cream, but suddenly the hippo got there first. So that there also he made the trouble to the ice cream man and children. So when hippo entered, everybody became afraid and they went back. Is it? And next one, men raced means here sportsmen running in the running race. They wanted to reach the winning post means last one to reach the post rack. To cross that one, sudden they wanted to curious to cross and win that race, running race, those sportsmen, but they are being nudged means they are taking the rest. Why? When they in that track, suddenly hippo got there first, and they ran means they jumped into the outside of the track, so they become injured, and now they are hospital. They shift in the hospital and taking the bandages, which muscles are damaged, because when the hippo entered in the track, everybody moved from the track. Next, athletes. So here athletes means also sportsmen ran across the country with great distance, but there also, and they wanted to reach the last spot. Then suddenly hippo got there first. They become disgruntled means there when the hippo got first rank, then all the athletes become disgruntled means dissatisfied, because they wish to they have to come the first, but the hippo got there first. And another one situation, a hunter in the forest. Hunter stacked a hippo means the hunter wanted to shoot a hippo. Its reaction was adverse. Whose reaction? Hippo's. Why? When he wanted to shoot, suddenly in front of him stood. That hippo stood backside of the hunter. Then hunter ran sadly. Next, they don't possess an athlete's shape. Who don't possess? The athletes, because their fingers are the worst. Because if they race with the hippo, then hippo will be first. Anybody will come first. If you compete with the huge animal, who will come? That huge animal, no, that wise they did not possess, they did not feeling bad, because there suddenly the hippo came there. So it's totally what the meaning. The animal, huge animal living with the people, human being, it's a very dangerous to the people, and not only people, it's also dangerous to the huge animals, is it? So that the poet is saying that the huge animal, where they have to stay, where they have to stay, there they can only stay there, because that is only comfortable for them, that place. If they came in the society, it will be dangerous to the people also and to that animals. So this is the complete explanation about a hippo got there first, the poem 9th. Is it clear? I hope you understood. Now take down the homework, write the poem and meaning of new words and about the poet and about the hippo in English notebook one time and read the poem. Okay, we will meet in the next video with a new lesson. Till then, thank you. Goodbye, my dear students.